ILN and submit. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Kenton County, North Central Pendleton County, Campbell County, Southern Boone County until 7:45 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Walton, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and baseball-sized hail.
Oh my.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Covington, Florence, Independence, Erlanger, Edgewood, Alexandria, Ellesmere, Highland Heights, Taylor Mill, Walton, Claryville, Union, Wilder, Silver Grove, Melbourne, Cold Spring, Ryland Heights, Crestview, Fairview, and Ricedale. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Kentucky between mile markers 73 and 77. Interstate 75 in Kentucky between mile markers 169 and 179. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.